everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I made our centerpieces for our wedding. We used a candlestick and a bowl from Dollar Tree and glued them together with E6000, and then we did a spray paint. And here I am sanding down the entire thing so that we can do our final coat of spray paint and get any drips that were caused in the first time. After sanding down the centerpiece, I go with a microfiber cloth and get off any of the dust before we spray paint. And you will see the spray paint that we use. And here they are completed. We did all 12, and the flowers are from Michael's, Dollarama, Lens Mills, and Hobby Lobby. Half our centerpiece bases are white and the other half are gold.